Clever Duckling. The sun shone on the mountains, making the mountain green. The sun shone on the river, making the river sparkle.
Oh, what a nice day! I'm going to play in the river.
The duckling jumped into the river, sometimes diving into the water, sometimes rising to the surface. He swam with a little carp and played hide and seek with a little frog. He swam and swam, playing for a long time.
Oh, it's dark. I'm going home. Little frog, little carp, see you later.
When the duckling got close to the village, he met the fox looking for something to eat.
Ah, a fat, tender duckling.
The fox crept up behind the duckling. Suddenly, he pounced on the duckling and quickly grabbed him with two sharp claws.
Ah!
The duckling looked up and saw the fox with his red mouth open, showing two rows of sharp teeth. How terrible! But the duckling didn't panic at all. He looked at the village and came up with a plan.
Do you want to eat me?
Of course. I'm so hungry.
Let me ask you. There's no way I could get away from you, is there?
Not at all.
Then get off of me for a second. I love the sound of fox calls. Let me learn your call and then eat me later, okay?
What? Can a duck bark like a fox? What a silly idea.
If you don't believe me, get off me and I'll let you hear.
You can't run away anyway. I'd like to hear it,
said the fox, and he set the duckling free. The duckling flapped his wings and cried loudly,
"Quack, quack, quack! Quack, quack, quack!" That's not the fox call. That's the sound of ducks. Listen, this is a fox call. Ow!
Oh, I understand. Quack, quack, quack! Quack, quack, quack!
No, listen to my voice. Ow.
Just as the fox opened his mouth and shouted, a big dog ran out of the village. Well, the dog was the duckling's best friend. The duckling knew that the big dog had the best hearing. When he heard the duckling's voice, he would come and save him. The fox was afraid of the big dog. He was so scared that he left the duckling and ran away. The duckling and the big dog went home together happily.